For the custom emojis, basically you just want to change these images here. And for backgrounds, the video background is a different thing. So basically for the video background, the name of the file has to match what's in the configuration script. So if we're going to the script here, you can see it's set by default to background. And also the names of the emojis also have to match the emojis. So this tells StimuWrite where to look for your assets. What you can do is find a video you like and then you convert it to OGV file. Okay, so for the video background, let's find a video we like. And you can do this on a free website or you can purchase a video. For this, I'm going to go to pixabay.com and find a nice, abstract, relaxing video. Kind of like what we had already, huh? Okay. And I like to find something. This is nice. This is actually kind of perfect. So we'll take this, download it. This is actually going to be the dimensions that are going to be what the program expects. So this will be more high res if it's expanded. So it kind of just depends how much space you want to take. But let's do the more high res. So we've downloaded our video, but it is not the correct format. So it's an MP4 and Godot needs OGG Vorbis video because it's an open source engine and that's an open source file format. So we're going to need to convert the video. There's lots of free online converters, or you can purchase a software to convert it. So if you search convert to OGV online, I think I've used this one before, online convert. Have an ad blocker in place because if you don't, all these free websites are going to have pop-ups everywhere to confuse you. So when you're using a free service like this, you probably already know this, but it's really good to have an ad blocker. So we'll just drag it in here. This is the convert to OGV. Okay, it looks like it converted, so we can download it. Some of these converters will not give it to you as an OGV. It'll give it to you just as an OGG, and that's fine. You just want to double click and then change it from OGG to OGV, and it'll work still. So that it works with our theme, let's change this name to background. And let's overwrite the current background. But not so fast. There's more to do. StimuWrite requires a still version of the video. There's a couple reasons for this. It's used as the pause image, and also for older machines, there's sometimes a black frame that comes up in looping videos if there's not the correct background. So what I use is a VLC, which can play the OGV files, and I just take a snapshot, and it may save it as a PNG if you're using VLC, but you can change it to set it as a JPEG. It has to be a JPEG. StimuWrite expects a JPEG, so in this case it has to be background.jpg or else it will not work. Okay. Let's export it again. When you change the files, you're going to have to reselect your file sometimes, but since we were just overwriting existing files, we didn't have to do that. Export pack file. And let's open it up in StimuWrite again. Right version, okay. And here we go, we have our background, and you can pause it.